Welcome, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to focus on the process known as Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM. We'll be understanding how this method helps maximize equipment effectiveness and boosts overall productivity, bringing you closer to the concept of perfect production. By the end of this video, you'll learn the significant benefits of TPM, its workflow, the 8 pillars that hold it up, and how it manifests in the real world with a case study. So let's get started. Let's talk about total productive maintenance. This is a process that maximizes equipment effectiveness by involving all supporting departments. So, what is the ultimate goal of TPM? To boost overall productivity by optimizing equipment availability. You see, maintenance, reliability, and operations workers are always aiming for what we call perfect production. Now, this is a tough goal to reach, because unexpected problems can pop up even in the most well-planned facilities. But here's where TPM comes in. It helps facilities get as close as they can to perfect production. TPM sees maintenance as a business advantage. Imagine no downtime, no equipment failure, just pure production and profit. It's also built on the 5S methodology, which helps organize and standardize facility procedures. This leads to a ton of benefits for both production and workplace quality. Let's dive into 4 of the most significant benefits of total productive maintenance. First, you get less unplanned maintenance. With carefully planned and scheduled maintenance, equipment is extremely well maintained. TPM encourages all plant personnel to take ownership of their machines, turning maintenance into a positive investment. Second, you'll see reduced equipment downtime. More planned maintenance means fewer failures. By implementing proactive maintenance activities, downtime events are minimized. Third, you'll experience lower manufacturing costs. As overall equipment efficiency increases, production costs are also minimized. Higher productivity leads to higher profits and reduced spending on equipment stoppage time and repairs. And fourth, you'll strengthen workplace safety. Because TPM is built on the 5S foundation, the workplace is systematically organized and cleaned. Now, let's talk about the total productive maintenance workflow. TPM is an innovative concept in the manufacturing industry that evolved from preventive maintenance to adopt practices of productive maintenance, maintenance prevention, and reliability engineering. It's an ingenious approach to achieve overall equipment effectiveness by involving the workforce behind the machines. The developments in TPM were first seen in Japan. Toyota was one of the first companies to receive TPM certification. The philosophy behind TPM was pivotal in achieving Toyota's just-in-time level of service and reliability in their production facilities. Seiichi Nakajima, regarded as the father of TPM, describes this philosophy as, "TPM is the making of products through the making of people." Let's now explore the 8 pillars of total productive maintenance. First, we have the 5S method: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. This is a workplace organization method simplified into 5 basic steps. Second, we have autonomous maintenance. Maintenance tasks and caring for equipment should start with the people using the equipment. Third, we have continuous improvement, also known as the Japanese term Kaizen. This promotes the attitude of progressing towards 0 losses and 0 defects. Fourth, we have planned maintenance. These activities are essential to the prevention of equipment breakdown. Fifth, we have quality maintenance. This aims for 0 defect production to ensure customer satisfaction. Sixth, we have training. Proper training is required to equip each one with the theoretical and practical know-how of working with machines and equipment. Seventh, we have office TPM. This includes identifying and eliminating losses and contributing to the overall performance of the plant. And finally, eighth, we have safety, health, and environment. The successful implementation of this pillar will contribute to a secure and hazard-free workplace. Let's take a look at a real-world example of TPM. One of the largest beer brewers in Latin America, Cervecería Cuauhtémoc Moctezuma, or CCM for short, is a TPM success story. The principles of TPM are alive and thriving in all of the company's 6 plants in Mexico. According to their plant maintenance manager, TPM means that everyone is responsible for guaranteeing the total effectiveness of the equipment. In conclusion, TPM takes the ideas of maintenance and preventive maintenance a step further by involving all departments and people within an organization. With everyone focused on taking responsibility for the machines and equipment, increasing overall performance is achievable even with a limited number of resources. Thank you for watching. We've covered the concept of total productive maintenance, its significant benefits, workflow, and the 8 pillars that support it. We also looked at a real-world example of TPM in action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.